Everyone, in today's video, we will see how to create your own indicator in TradingView. Build a custom Pine script. So firstly, you can here open your Pine editor by simple pressing this icon. Now here you can simple add your own script. Then after once you add here your own script, okay. After that, you can simple click on save button and now name your indicator. So like I am here at save, okay. And then simple click on publish and then it will simple add to your chart. Okay, here you will see my test indicator will be also available here. Okay, also here if you click on create new, here you will have many options like create strategy, library or indicators. Tap indicator to edit and now simple close the script and then it will add here. Now in future use, if you want to add the script again, you can go to indicator, type here test and then you will find your own indicator and then it will edit here. Okay, goodbye.